The result in the Depp-Heard trial is hardly shocking. I was disgusted by what I witnessed in the courtroom. In the Johnny Depp vs. Amber Heard trial, the jury returned a verdict in less than 3 days. On a Friday afternoon, they had a break over Memorial Day weekend, and came back on Tuesday, May 31st. They came to the conclusion early the next day that Heard had slandered her ex-husband in a 2018 opinion piece for the Washington Post. In other words, after suing the Sun's publishing business over a headline that called him a wife-beater, Depp won the trial in the US that he lost in the UK over the course of 7 weeks. I wrote reports on this trial. It dominated many of my personal talks as well as my work life. It was a challenging, frequently depressing task. I was constantly in awe of the brutality of those who made fun of Heard. She, the defendant in this case, never appeared to enjoy the presumption of innocence that is typically afforded to people who appear in court. Every move she made and every look on her face were closely examined. Every action she took, including smiling, crying, and wiping her nose, was instantly viewed in the least positive manner. The internet conversation around the case, including the memes, YouTube supercuts, sarcastic tweets, and the former boy band member openly mocking her on social media, was something I could never get used to. All of it, in my opinion, went against the bounds of proper human conduct. I witnessed Heard struggle through tears several times to give her testimony. Then I watched as thousands of self-appointed online investigators ridiculed her, created new mocking hashtags, and scrutinized every face expression and move with an intensity one can only describe as alarming. The whole thing made me nauseous. It continues to do so.